morning and Jai Hind children. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home. Children, welcome to Maths online classes. This is your Maths period and we were doing our topic place value. Today again I am going to stay on the topic place value and we are going to repeat the same topic. Write the place value of circle digits. Now, children, before starting today's topic, I want you all to see the slides first so that we can revise the places as well as the place value. So, let's revise the places and place value. Place value. This is the topic that we are doing in the class. Children, suppose number is given to you 32. In 32, 3 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Okay? 3 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. If 2 is in ones place, now you tell me what is the place value of this 2? Yes, the place value of this 2 is 2 ones or 2. 3 is in tens place. So, what is the place value of this 3? 3 tens or 30. Now, come to the next slide. Children, here you will see the places. First place is of ones, then come tens and then come hundreds. Repeat again. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now, come to the next slide. Children, ones are also known as units. Ones place is also known as units place. So, first place is of ones, then come tens and then come hundreds. Units, tens, hundreds. Then come to our next slide. Suppose a number given to you is 130. Number given to you is 130. 3 is in units place or you can say ones place. So what is the place value of this 3? 3 ones or 3. 1 is in tens place. So what is the place value of this 1? 1 tens or 10. 1 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 1? 1 hundreds or 100. Let's revise again. 3 is in ones place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 ones. 1 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 1? 1 tens. 1 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 1? 1 hundreds. Now children, you all have seen the places and now you all understand how to write the place value. So today again we are doing place value topic and our question is the same question that we were doing yesterday, which was write the place value of circle digit. Okay. So children, yesterday in query session I've seen many of you have send your notebooks page, your classwork page. Very good children. Okay, like this only you will complete your classwork and your homework also. So let's start today's class. Write down classwork first. Our topic for today is place value. Place value. Okay? Now, children, first write the question. Write the place value. Place value of circle digit. What we have to write? Place value of circle digit. Okay? So the question is saying that we have to write the place value of circle digit. Children, first of all, you write down today's date, then write classwork, write down the topic, place value, and note down the question. First, note down the question. After that, we will start with today's classwork. And don't forget to write the index. In index, you will write today's date, and along with today's date, children, you will write place value. So write down classwork, date, topic, place value, and then write the heading. Note down it, children, clearly from the board. Done, everyone? Now, children, what I have told, when we are doing place value, what we will do? We will divide our page. Okay, we will draw one line after ones, tens, hundred. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. This side also and this side also. You will write ones, tens, hundred. First you will write hundred, tens, ones, and this side also you will write hundred, tens, ones, and draw the line. This side after 3 blocks and this side before 3 blocks you will draw a line. And for drawing line, children, you will make use of scale and color pencil. Done? Now see the first question, everyone. Your first question is 35. First question is 35, where 5 is the circle number. Which is the circle number? 5 is the circle number. And what we have to write? We have to write the place value of circle digit. Okay, so we will write 35. 5 is the circle number. Clear? Now, 5 is written in which place? 5 is written in ones place. So, what is the place value of 5? Yes, place value of 5 is 5 ones, or we can write 5. Okay? 5 ones, or we can write 5 in the ones place. Now children, see the second question. All of you see the second question. Second question is 59. Now, which is the circle number in 59? 5 is the circle number. 5 is the circle number. Now 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. You all can see now this is tens place and 5 is in tens place. So when the number is in tens place, 5 is in tens place, what is the place value of 5? 5 tens or 50. So write down 5 tens or 50. Now note down these two questions everyone. In first question, the number given is 35. Okay. Where 5 is the circle number. 5 is in ones place. So place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. In the second question, number given is 59, where 5 is the circle number and what is the place of this 5? 5 is in tens place. So what will be the place value of this 5? 5 tens or 50. This is how we will write 50. So now note down both the questions in your notebook everyone. Now you all have understood how to write the place and place value. Note down. Now children, place and place value is clear to everyone. First you will write date, then you will write class work, then write the topic place value, then write the place value of circle digit, write the places 100, tens, ones, give number, serial number 1 to. First question is 35. 5 is the circle number, 5 is in ones place, so place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. 5 is the circle number. It is in tens place. So place value of 5 is 5 tens or 50. Write down children. Now I hope you all can easily write the place value of all the numbers up to hundreds. I am watching everyone. Children, complete your work. Don't write in bad handwriting. Write clearly in proper manner. Complete fast. Then we will start our third question. Written everyone? Note down clearly in your notebook and circle you will make with color pencils. Line also you will draw with the help of scale. Here you will not draw these lines, okay? This I have drawn only for you to understand. You will not draw it, okay? So I am erasing it so that you all also don't draw it. This you will not draw, okay? This is only for you to understand. For making you understand, I have drawn the lines. But you will not dirty your notebook, children. Okay, your notebook should be very neat and clean. Okay, number at the ones place will be written in the ones place and number in the tens place will be written in the tens place. So I hope now you all have completed your work. Done up to here. Now let's start with the third question. Okay. So children, now see the third question everyone. Your third question. See the third question now. First, I'm dividing the column. You already have drawn the line now. Children, you all already have drawn the lines. But I am dividing the column. First place, now you tell me, is of 100. Then come tens and then come ones. This side also you will write 100, tens, ones. Okay. Now let's start our third question. See the third question. Question given to you is 622, where 6 is the circle number. Now, what we have to see in the question? We have to see which number is the circle number. So, which is the circle number? 6 is the circle number. Okay? Now, what is the place of 6? 6 is in hundreds place. 6 is in hundreds place. So, what is the place value of this 6? We will write 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds. Spelling of hundreds is HUNDREDS. Everyone knows the spelling of red. RED, red. Now what you have to write? 100. HUNDRED. Hundreds. Okay? Don't forget to write S. Whenever we are writing name of places, we have to write S. We have to add S to it. If we are writing ones, tens, hundreds, S has to be written. Okay? So 6 is the circle number and 6 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 hundreds or 600, where 6 will be written in hundreds place, 0 at tens place and this 0 in ones place. Written up to here children. Now note down question number 3 in your notebook. Now read this number 622. 6 is in hundreds place. So place value of 6 is 6 hundreds or 600. After this, children, come to the next question. Your next question is 735. Which is the circle number? 7 is the circle number. And what is the place of this 7? 7 is in hundreds place. See all the 3 numbers. Now, will you tell me which number you can see a big circle is there? On which number you will find a big circle? Yes, on 7. Very good. Everyone clap for yourself now. You all have given right answer now. Now clap everyone. Start clapping for yourself. Very good children. So which is the circle number? 7 is the circle number. Okay, everyone has found it? Now, 7 is written in which place? Yes, it is written in hundreds place. Everyone can see it is written in hundreds place. So when a number is written in hundreds place, What is its place value? If 7 is written in hundreds place, its place value is 7 hundreds or 7 hundreds or 700. 7 hundreds or 700, where 7 will be written in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and this last 0 in ones place. Clear? Next number is 735, where 7 is written in hundreds place. So 7 hundreds or 700. Now note down these two questions, children, in your notebook clearly. Everyone note down. After this, I will give you homework questions. So note down question 3 and question 4. Now you all can easily make out the place value. You all have learnt now. First, you will look for the circle number, and when you will find the circle number, you will see the places, and when you will find the places, what you will do? It becomes very easy for you. If the number is written in ones place, then the place value of that number is, suppose 2 is written in ones place. Place value of 2 is 2 ones or 2. If it is written in hundreds place, then place value of 2 is 2 hundreds or 200. If it is written in thousands place value of 2 is 2 thousands or 2000. So children, I am giving you 5 minutes. You all copy down these two questions clearly in your notebook. Note down. Those who will write in very good handwriting, they will get very good and they will get stars also from me. Okay, so write in very nice and good handwriting. Children, are you all studying at home? You all are practicing place value at home? Now you like this lesson, place value? You all can do on your own now? Okay, I will take test one day and I will see who is going to get 10. Okay? Everyone will get 10 out of 10. Written everyone? Write down fast. Yesterday's homework, have you everyone has completed? Everyone has completed their homework? How many yes icons here? Only few. Why? Everyone has not completed their homework. Children, do complete your homework on time, okay? Complete it. Everyone, draw the circle at the correct places. Write the correct spelling of hundreds. If it is written hundreds, what is the correct spelling of this hundreds? HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Say again. HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Finish it. Done, everyone? Now, I will give you homework questions. Okay? Let's see homework questions. You all note down homework questions in your notebook. Note down homework questions, everyone. This was your classwork. Now you will write your homework. First, write the question. Your question, write down. Write the place value. Place value. Place value of circle digit. Write the place value of circle digit. Now, note down the homework questions. Your first question. First, you will write places 100, tens, ones. After this, your first question for homework is 48, in which 8 is the circle number. 48, 8 is the circle number. Okay? After this, come to question number 2. In question number 2, your question given is 64, where 6 is the circle number. Written? Now, your third question is, write down third question, 365. 365. Write down third question. First, children, you all note down this page. Okay? Write down homework on the top. Date. Give the heading. Write the place value of circle digit. After that, write down these three numbers. First number is 48. Second number is 64. Third number is 365. And both the sides you will draw a line like this. For drawing line, you will make use of color pencils and scale. Okay? After this, children, here again you will write 100, tens and ones. If the number given is 48, 8 is in ones place. What is the place value of this 8? 8 ones, or you can say 8. Second number is 64. If 6 is in tens place, what is the place value of 6? 6 tens, or 60. 3 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of this 3? 3 hundreds, or 300, where you will write 0 in ones place, next 0 in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. Okay? So now note down the homework questions, everyone. Children, note down the homework questions. One more question is left. After you all complete it writing, I will erase and show you question number 4. the sides you will write 100, tens, ones and draw the line. Written. Homework questions everyone has written in their notebook. Children, now see the fourth question. Note down the fourth question, everyone. See, fourth question of yours is fourth question is 100, tens, ones. This side also 100, tens, ones. Okay? And your fourth question is 448. 448. Note down the question. Everyone has written the homework questions now. This is the fourth and the last question. Children, copy it down. 4 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 4? 4 hundreds or 400. Children, if you have missed any of your classwork or homework question, I am sending a PDF so you can complete it from there also. Okay? So complete your classwork, complete your homework, and I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Tomorrow we will meet again in maths class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.